Hello guys, welcome to Crypto. My name is Arthur. In this video, I'm going to show you how exactly you can find crypto arbitrage opportunities, and of course, I'm going to show you a scanner that I use to find these crypto arbitrage opportunities. So basically, this scanner is going to scan arbitrage opportunities for you and gives you the best crypto arbitrage opportunities that you can take advantage of. So basically, this is the arbitrage scanner that I use, and this scanner works in real time. As you can see, this is a new scanner that I've been using. It works on all crypto exchanges, and you can connect your API to basically automate all your crypto arbitrage opportunities and stuff like that. So it's easy to install and all that stuff. So from now onwards, we're going to be doing live crypto arbitrage trades using this scanner because this is what I've been using. I've tested it multiple times and it's working as I'm recording this video. So in this video, I'm going to take a live trade and I'll show you how exactly you can use the scanner, and I'll show you how exactly you can connect your API keys from an exchange to the scanner so that it can scan arbitrage opportunities for you and pretty much automate all your trades. So without any further ado, let's get right into it. So right now I'm looking at XRP arbitrage opportunity, as you can see. So basically I found one here on BYBIT and GATEIO right here. Okay, so we're gonna be buying from BYBIT and sell to GATEIO, and we're gonna be making a profit of approximately $5 or $6 per trade, right? But basically this number changes like each and every 15 minutes. So you can have an arbitrage opportunity up to 15 minutes before it expires. So this scanner only selects arbitrage opportunities that are available so that you can trade and take advantage of all these crypto arbitrage opportunities. But it's not only about XRP, you still have all other coins that you can take advantage of, because I was told that it works on all currency pairs and any crypto exchange, and it also works in real time. So in this video, we're going to do a live trade and I'll show you how exactly you're going to use the scanner and all that stuff. So without any further ado, let's get right into it. Crypto exchange. If you don't have a BYBIT account, the link is going to be in the description below as well. So I created this account and GATEIO account for the sake of this video, but if you want an account, the link is going to be in the description below as well. What you're looking at right here is the market on BYBIT crypto exchange, and we are looking to buy XRP from BYBIT, and we're going to sell it on GATEIO at higher price. And this is how exactly we're going to make money, because these crypto arbitrage opportunities works in real time, and you all know that these arbitrage opportunities last approximately 15 minutes. So this is the reason why I'm rushing right now. I'm just gonna do it quick, and I'm gonna show you how much we're gonna make after taking advantage of this XRP arbitrage opportunity. So let's go ahead and buy some XRP, and we're gonna sell on GATEIO. You can also see that this is a new account and stuff like that. I don't have anything on this account. This is account on GATEIO and stuff like that. So this is account that I'm gonna perform this crypto arbitrage opportunity and show you pretty much anything that you need to know if you want to take advantage of this crypto arbitrage game. So let's go ahead and get some XRP right now before the opportunity expires and stuff like that. I'm just gonna go ahead to spot and go or search right here XRP. Let's make it simple, right? I will take XRP to USDT, which is right here, right? So let's go ahead and do this. And on BYBIT, I only have 122 USD, and this is the amount that I'm willing to use for this opportunity, right? So oh, my PC is freezing, but anyway guys, don't worry about that. I'm just gonna spend, let's say 100, because on our scanner it says that we're gonna make approximately 5%, and these opportunities works in real time, so we should expect approximately 5% in profit. And I've been using this scanner for like 3 weeks now, and is really working, doing good job. So right now I'm just gonna go ahead and let's spend 100%. Good thing is, like, everyone can do this. It's really simple. You don't need to be advanced trader for you to do arbitrage opportunity, and you're not taking risks. All you're doing is swapping cryptocurrencies and take advantage of these small percentages and stuff like that. Okay, you know what I mean? So it's really simple, and everyone can do it. So let's go ahead and spend $100, and we can use market order because there's liquidity on BYBIT and stuff like that. But okay, let's use market order. A lot of people complain and be like, you must use a market order, blah blah blah. But you know, that's not really a case. If the opportunity is 5%, you should expect 5% profit regardless of the liquidity, regardless of the whether using a market order or a limit order. As you can see, our trade has successfully gone through, and right now I have some XRP. If I click sell, you would see that I have 193 worth of XRP right here, as you can see. So this XRP is worth 100 USD. So right now I'm just gonna go ahead and withdraw it and to get IO, and you can see that XRP is going up, so we're gonna have to do it fast. I don't want people to say that the price went up and all that stuff, you know what I mean. So let's go ahead and do this real quick. Click withdraw fast. And guys, you should avoid all these guys pretending to do crypto arbitrage on the internet and stuff like that. You know, you have to stick to what works and all that stuff. I'm not hating, I'm just saying because I know all these guys out here. So I'll put XRP right there, and we have to put the address right here and the chain type and the amount. Oh right, yeah, here's a memo. This is what I was looking for. So we're gonna come right here and click deposits. It's gonna be on chain deposit. If you click get IO code, it's only used for those. It's only used if you want to transfer money from GetIO user to another. That's when you can use GetIO deposit and stuff. But if you want to use on chain, you're gonna have to put the address. So basically, we're looking for XRP. This is how you do it. You go click the XRP. You go search for XRP, and here you go. And it's gonna provide you with XRP address and a tag memo. So this is XRP network, and they only have XRP network anyway. And this is a wallet address, and this is a tag. This is really important. If you want to deposit money using XRP, you have to put both address and the tag memo. All right, so don't make a mistake. So you copy it like this, and you go right here, you paste it right, just like that. Do not edit and all that stuff. Okay, and then you copy the tag memo as well, and you paste it right here. Okay, and we bought 193 worth of XRP, and this is 100 US dollars, right? And that's what we spent, and we're gonna use all of it. Okay, so we're just gonna go ahead and click all, just like right here, and right here says you are withdrawing 193 XRP, and this is like what's gonna be received. So for transaction fee, we are only paying approximately 0.25. This is less than 1 cent, to be honest. So you're not paying anything for transaction fee. But in most cases, right, if you try now withdraw using ERC20 network, it's very expensive. So it ends up taking some amount of your profits if you're using ERC20 network. So I suggest that you should use like cheap networks like BRC20 or TRC20 and all other stuff, right? So this is it. So if you're taking advantage of the scanner, guys, make sure that you only select coins that have cheap network. Don't use ERC20. All right. So right here, just want me to confirm this is the address, this is the tag memo, and this is the actual amount that I'm withdrawing. So I'm withdrawing the whole 100 USD, and we're only paying 0.25 XRP, which is nothing, right? So I'm just gonna click submit. All right, guys, so here you go. You can see that we have successfully sent that XRP to GetIO, so we should expect it to arrive within 3 minutes. But this is a transaction, and this is how much fee we have paid, and this is the quantity of XRP, and this is the address and all that stuff. So right now we're just gonna go to GetIO and reload this page, and because we want to confirm if the cash is in this account. All right, so right now you can see that that transaction is still pending, but it should arrive right here, right within 3 minutes. Let me just refresh again right here. Hopefully funds are there. All right guys, so right now you can see that we have successfully deposited that extra P, and right now that extra P is worth 105 USD. So meaning that we have made approximately like five US dollars, because the scanner say that, or if we take the advantage of this opportunity, we're gonna make approximately 5%. So 5% of 100 US dollars, we made approximately 5 USD, and this is the profit that we made by taking advantage of this scanner. So right now all I have to do is simple, guys. All I have to do right now is simply go to this trading tab and click trade, and then we're gonna sell this XRP to USDT, and then we're gonna withdraw this USDT using using TRC20 because it's cheap, back to BYBIT or any other crypto exchange that we can also take advantage of crypto arbitrage of. So basically this is it about how exactly you can find crypto arbitrage opportunities. As you can see, guys, it's really simple. All you have to do is to follow the steps. All right guys, so this is it. My name is Arthur. I just wanted to show you how exactly you can make money with crypto arbitrage, and if you want the scanner, the link is going to be in the description below, or you can contact me on Telegram as well as on WhatsApp. All the links going to be in the description below as well. So thank you for watching. Therefore, I'll see you in the video. Make sure to subscribe and leave a like button for YouTube algorithm if you really enjoy this kind of videos and stuff like that. And from now onwards, we're going to be making arbitrage videos based on our tools and stuff like that. So make sure you stick around to this channel, because we're going to be taking a lot of arbitrage opportunities as well, and testing all these scanners and stuff like that. So this is it. My name is Arthur, guys. Thank you for watching. Therefore, I'll see you in the video. Love and peace, James.